So this is not necessarily a sample problem. This is just an example that I like to use when introducing limiting reactant type problems. Because this is something easy to think about, right? Some stuff that you may have in your kitchen to make an ice cream sundae. So we're going to imagine that our ingredients that you see here, that's our chemical equation to make an ice cream sundae. That's going to be our product. So here's our reactants, here's our product. So sometimes in life, you notice, right, there's a limiting reaction. We don't have enough of one reactant to go all the way to products, in other words. And so that's why I like this example when talking about limiting reactant problems. Up until this point, we've just assumed that we have enough of, for instance, we have enough hydrogen and oxygen to react to combine the maximum amount of waters, right? We haven't ran out of something. But most of the time, there is a limiting reactant when we're in the lab or doing an experiment. And so let's look at this example. So to make an ice cream sundae, our chemical equation is 2 scoops of ice cream, 1 cherry, and 50 milliliters of chocolate. So you go into your kitchen and you find out that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 scoops of ice cream. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cherries, and you have you have 100 milliliters of chocolate. So one of these things is going to be limiting the amount of ice cream sundaes we can make, right? So we can only make, this is the most ice cream sundaes we can make, because in this example, our chocolate here, that is our limiting reactant, okay? Limiting. If you notice, up top, it takes 50 milliliters to make 1 sundae. That means I only have enough to make 1 sundae. I cannot make 1, 2, 3, 4 ice cream sundaes because I have 8 scoops of ice cream and it only takes 2 to make 1, because I don't have enough chocolate to go on there, right? So we're going to start looking at some sample problems where one of our reactants limits the amount of product we can make, even though we have a lot more of our other reactants, right? There's going to be this one here that's going to limit us.